Hello everyone, welcome to a short tutorial on Django. You're learning Django with K Learner. So in this, I'm just going to talk about one issue of navigation that I was facing. So very quickly, I'll be taking you to that part of the dev. So here, if you see, I have uh, code running, and what I'm going to do is I'm just this is where I've written down the code, and I'm talking about the top navigation. So let me just show you the issue first. That I'm just running the program, and you see if I go into all employees and then go to all details and I click on home, it gives me an error. It doesn't take me to the home. So in order to solve that problem, what I did was I went into the view part, sorry, into the URL part, and I added this line which is path home, view home, and home. So I've just copied the entire thing from here to here. And the other thing that I did was I went into the master page, and in the navigation, instead of writing down two dots, I wrote down two. And that's how I reached home. So I'll just save all, and it will do all the work in the background, and get back and refresh it, and then go to all employees again, view details, and when I click on home, I reach home. That's all that I want to show. Thank you. Bye bye.